Hi, would you like to learn how to make about some event planning? If you are interested, then I've got you. I'm Tini Yakubu, a master event planner with experience of over 10 good years working for brands like HP, Ulysses, Logitech, and a number of other notable brands. Now, if you are still interested, then sit right here. In 2017, I took a number of HP partners, 50 to be precise, flew them from Nigeria to South Africa. Yes, and managed even more numbers from other parts of the world for 3 days. And I've done quite a number of other notable events in Nigeria, some of them even being managed abroad, sitting right here on my desk. So when I say I know about event planning, I know about event planning. Now, what is event planning?